Need a photographer. Brandon, grade 5, Cinco.
Takedown. Tell everybody to say hi and thank you.
Matt Storniolo. Coming on back to ring 5, buddy.
Head down and slow.
If you are a men's light belt and you weigh between 180 and 189.9, we need your card on the table immediately. Ring 7. Men's white belt, light heavyweight, 180 to 189.9. Very last fall, ring 7.
Not on the hip, on the knee. On the knee. Push that knee back. Push that knee back. Oh yeah, roll it. Roll it. You up next?
This is the winners of our Med Expert welterweight division. In third place, Matt Storniolo. In second place, Patrick Feeney. And in first place, from Hugh Jiu-Jitsu and Greek.
There you go.
Sandy Justivich.
Watch arm. Watch arm.
Congratulations.
Watch arm.